Okay, so first we're gonna grab one of these cups right here. You're gonna need 2 of them. One for water and one for the food. So the food is here in the fridge. This is the food for Lizard. You would put 1 scoop. First you gotta wash your hands because the food can get contaminated. So you're gonna do, there's the bigger scoop. Usually you do like 1 scoop. Okay. It doesn't look like it's very much, but what we're gonna do is make it into Gerber. It can't be too watery. It has to be, and it can't be too thick. It has to be like I'll show you the consistency of it, the texture. So let's put water. What I like to do is just literally, it's like really like just a little drop. So that was 1 little. Let me see, maybe 1 more. Okay. Okay, let's mix that. Okay, we're gonna mix this. That was like 3 little pumps. I use these, the needles, the syringe. I'm gonna just mix it. Hold on, I wanna make sure. It feels a little watery. Let me see. Pull on the syringe because I wanna see how thick it is. So this is a little watery, so I'm gonna add a little bit of more, just a little teeny bit. Add just a little teeny bit. Maybe like this. Okay. And then once you're done, you gotta put it back in the fridge. So this is practically done. In this cup, we're just gonna fill it up with water. 2 cups ready. Just be careful with the cats. Try to keep the cats away because they will kill the iguana. I'm gonna leave my cups here ready and go get the iguana. Ready? So this is the cage, obviously. The way I do it, I'm literally gonna crawl in here. Is if you can just change that water maybe every other day. Darlene's gonna record me right now, but I literally have to like put my hand over. So I literally like put my body in here, and then I get the iguana. But you'll watch me right now. I grab this rock. It's down here. Looks like this. And I'm gonna use this to put the lizard here and then walk to the table. Get in here. And then my elbow down here. And just be careful with the stick right here, the wood stick. And then I'm gonna stick my hand like this. This is so hard, but this is how I do it. And I'm gonna grab it. Lishi. Lishi. Just say Lishi. So I'm gonna grab him. Sometimes he gets stuck. Okay. Try to grab him out. And then here, if he gets stuck on something, just gently with your finger, just grab him. I don't grab him. I'm not rough with him, but this is how I do it to get him out. Okay. Once I have him, I put him on the stone like this, so you don't have to. He won't scratch you. Okay, just be careful because he will slip. And then close this because the cats will get in. And then let's walk to the table. I usually do this. Okay. And just be careful with the cats because they will try to get him. And I put a napkin under because it does leak, make a mess. This requires patience. You're gonna be here for like 20 minutes maybe. What I like to do, so this is like Gerber. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna pull the syringe. So yes, it is leaking, but you're gonna try to feed him the whole thing. Done, like he'll let you know he's done. Like he'll turn around or he won't like want to open his mouth. But in the beginning, it is hard to get him to eat. So what I do is I gently push until I get him to open. See? So he's really hungry. So I just push gently in there. I don't know how he might act. See, it's already empty. So what I do is I just keep pumping more and more and more. Here, I have another needle ready. Okay. Easy. So just feed him. And just have him eat like this. So just be careful with the tail because sometimes the cats will try to get him. Okay, let me pump another one. Come here. There you go. Oops, sorry. Just be careful also with his nose. Okay, there we go. Okay. He's really hungry. Oops. Keep feeding. So this does take, you know, I don't want to like force the food down, but I do, you know, as he's allowing me to feed him. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I probably do like 8, maybe about 10 of these. Because I think the hardest part is giving him water. Sometimes he doesn't want to drink water. Just keep feeding him. He's thirsty. He's trying to eat. This is water. Okay. You can also use a plastic spoon because he doesn't really open his mouth much. I'll try to let me give him more food.
It's supposed to be a lightning storm.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, G. Oops, something splashed on me. Okay.
Interesting.
Okay. It's called Esmeralda Resort in Indian Wells. So I usually push when he opens his mouth. That's when I push. Okay. Hey, G. Come on, buddy. Yoo-hoo. Usually, I like to look at his stomach to see if it looks big. Yoo-hoo. Done. You only have to do this once a day. I would say do it in midday.
And as soon as you start seeing that you're wrong, you better start running.
Let me give him some water. Yeah, for Meta Valerie. Okay, I'm giving him water. I actually took advantage. She's probably wondering, where's my food? Okay. So every day I do this. Just because he has, it's called metabolic bone disease. So they say that once they're cured and they're able to eat on their own, this takes like 6 to 12 months of feeding them. So you have to be very patient. All right, Lizard. You're doing so good, Lizard. Easy. I think he's full. Well, he was almost done anyways. Okay, here he goes. Oh, he's super hungry. Okay, maybe because he's getting bigger too. This is water. I usually give him water when his mouth is open. This is when I take advantage. Because he's not a big fan of water. I love you too, baby. Okay. Okay. So, you see how he's rising? I think he's done. Anyway, he was already done with his food. Got a little bit left. So, I mean, if you feel like he wants more, but I think 1 scoop is fine. Because we don't want to be wasteful. Because sometimes I make him food and he doesn't finish it. But today it looked like he was really hungry. Hey, Gigi. Okay, so we're done. We're going to take Blizzard back up right here. And I do like to spend at least 5 minutes with him. Like, I'll be on my phone right here just watching him before I take him back. Because I feel like he gets, you know, he's always alone in the cage. Obviously, you would be holding him with 2 hands because you don't want him to fall. My hand like this because I don't want to accidentally drop him. Okay, so here we go. Because he will try to jump. Are you getting me, Dre?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm just letting him now crawl on his own. This takes like a few minutes because iguanas are really slow. So I just want him to crawl back to his bed. So there he goes. So once I know that be careful with the tail because sometimes it is close to the door. Thanks, sir. So once, you know, he crawled back up, I put this down here, just like that. And then that's pretty much it. We're done. And just make sure the tail is clear. Okay, we're done.